Good morning, everyone. Today, we present an iconic collaboration between two global forces, Bulgari and Apple. This campaign, titled Eva, She Who Dares to Know, imagines ancient symbolism for the modern powerful woman. Why Bulgari and Apple? Apple is currently the most valuable brand in the world, valued $575 billion, and Bulgari's brand resonates most with millennials who prioritize authenticity, trust, and emotional connection. At first glance, these brands may seem worlds apart, one ancient, one digital, but both share powerful archetypes: the serpent, the apple, and the woman, symbol of knowledge, awakening, and power. This shared language is the soul of our campaign. Apple was the most valuable brand in the world according to Statista, and the report is updated year 2025. Consumer wants their jewelry brands to have authenticity, high value, and honesty. And for Bulgari's case, Bulgari's branding resonates more with the millennials. She who dares to know does not fall. So the core message is it's a powerful call to action for women who lead, innovate, and embrace their own awakening. This campaign fuses myth, tech, and femininity into one luxury narrative. So Eva, as a representation of a woman, did not disobey, but of course she awakened. This collaboration reclaims the tale of Eve and any other modern successful woman, not as the one who fell, but as the one who chose. Eva is the object of that awakening. When power meets knowing, Bulgari and Apple come from two worlds. So some key fun facts. Bulgari is founded in 1884 and it's one of the iconic serpent jewelry inspired by snakes. It is known as the masters of colored gemstones. While Apple is founded in 1976 and the Apple logo has a bite so it would not be mistaken for a cherry. So some of the Apples and iPhones styled for this theme, Eva X, and these are some of the designs of the swag bags. So we have selected three team event in New York City, but we definitely choose the last one. So this is one of our option: the Glass House Room, the Rainbow Room, and the Temple of Dandur. But we chose the Temple of Dandur, the Met. So these are some of our starters for the dinner menu, the main course with the wine, and of course the meal and the dessert. And these are the 20, top 25 most influential people. Displayed here are the top 5 people that will be invited to the event. So this is some example of the design of the invitation. She who dares to know the night when she falls. And this is an immersive pre-dinner experience which is has a theme of the Garden of Knowing. And the concept overview, it's the guest journey through a multi-sensory modern reimagining of the Garden of Eden, not as a place of temptation, but of empowerment and awakening. This is where the apple, the serpent, and Eve converge not to fall but to rise. So there are different journeys: the oracle mirror, the garden of signals, and the serpent's path. And this is one of our budget allocation, which is allocated for about $2.6 million and the timeline for 6 months starting August 2025 up to January 2026. So any question? All right. Thank you so much for listening.